I'm not doing so good. I just feel miserably. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. Oh, oh my gosh. Hold on. Take a look. We got a review. Check it out. Caribbean Cool Grape. I think I reviewed the sorrel and something else. We gonna see. Yeah, it's good. You know what? I didn't have mukbang one time. A mukbang. Mukbang. So we got a burger. And I drain it with sauce. You could hardly tell. But yeah, my burger is just a simple burger with cheese and meat. So we taking the first bite. Are we looking? Mm. That's some good. Down, done. Mm-hmm. I'll see you later. W Mukbang. Yeah, I found it. Sorry. Peace out.